and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning out this absolutely mess of a fridge that I have here, and I'm gonna organise because everything at the moment is just all over the place. There's probably some stuff in here that actually needs to be thrown away, that's probably out of date. It's disgusting and it really needs to be cleaned and organised a lot better than this, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. So firstly, I'm just going to remove absolutely everything out of the fridge just to make it easier to clean. Rather than doing it shelf by shelf, I just thought get everything out because I'm going to do a proper, thorough, deep clean today. So I'm taking everything out now and then I'll start cleaning. My fridge door is so awkward as well, like where the fridge is, it's like in the corner and it's up against the wall and there's a door behind the door as well, so the fridge door never stays open, it kind of just closes every time you let go. So I've opened the bottom drawer just to kind of hold it open while I'm cleaning. So now I'm taking out all the shelves of the fridge. I'm gonna wash all of the shelves in the sink, I think, instead. So because the fridge door doesn't open completely, I really struggled to get the bottom drawer out, so I had to just eventually leave it in there. I'm going to have to just clean the drawer in the fridge just because there was no way of me getting it out. So now I'm taking this Osmo fridge cleaning spray. It's supposed to kill 99.9% of bacteria, so I thought I'd give it a go. I wouldn't usually use chemical products in my fridge or kitchen, but I did this time, and actually I don't know if I will again, just because when I was using it, some of it went in my throat and it just made me non-stop cough. So actually at one point my daughter came into the kitchen and she also started coughing, so I think it's quite strong. I think it's got quite strong chemicals in it, so I don't know whether I'll use it again, but it did do a good job. So I should probably also say that I did leave the spray on the fridge or in the fridge for 3 minutes before I came back to it and started wiping it away. Something had leaked right into the corner of the door of that tray, and I just could not get to it. It really got to me. So there's a little bit of red something, I don't even know what it is, but it's just stuck there, and no matter what I did in that corner I could just not get it off, so that kind of annoyed me. So now I'm washing all of the shelves from the fridge. I'm just using some Fairy antibacterial washing up liquid and a sponge. So I'm just scrubbing them all down and then just putting them on the side to dry. So now I'm finished washing all the shelves, so I'm just drying them off with just a towel, and then I'm putting them all back inside. I actually struggled to remember where each tray was from, so probably best if you kind of like take a mental note of where each tray has come out from, so you don't make the same mistake that I did. The clean.
What we do here is go back.
Now I'm getting rid of a couple of things, not much, just a few things that have gone out of date. I hate the idea of throwing away food, but we wasn't going to eat it, it was out of date. So now I'm putting everything back in. I'm just going to try and organise it better this time. So all the sort of liquids and all the drinks are going to go on this shelf here. Yeah, it looks like we've got a lot of cans of juice, but I don't know, we just seem to get through a lot of juice. We do drink a lot of water as well, but for some reason, yeah, we do drink a lot. We just drink a lot in general, I think. So this is the finished clean fridge. So you can see on the top shelf I've just put all of like jams and things like that. Then the next shelf down, as I said, is all drinks, and then the next shelf down from that is all dairy. So you can see I've got all the yogurts on the right, and then butter, cheese, mayonnaise on the left. And then on the third shelf down is meat. There's not really too much meat there because we usually put all the meat in the freezer, and then when we need it on the day we'll take out of the freezer, just to try and avoid any food going off and being wasted. And then in the drawer we've got sort of salad and vegetables, and like you can see a stir fry mix in there as well. And then on the door you can see you've just got again some more sauces. On the right, sweet chili sauce and burger sauce or whatever it is, and then we've got milk and water. Okay, so that brings us to the end of the video, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe, as I will be posting a lot more content similar to this. Thank you, bye.